Hi, good morning, Mr. Ravi Venkatraman. Thank you for inviting me to your channel, Ravi's Eye View. My question is, in continuation to your last episode, what should be the strategy beyond migration for cloud transformation for enterprises? And also, what are the perceived challenges which enterprises will face when they'll look beyond cloud migration?
Hey, Amit, you're most welcome to my channel Ravi's Eye View. I'm more than happy to answer your questions. When we talk about cloud, specifically for Indian enterprises, cloud is currently in a migration stage. That means lift and shift. Most of the enterprises, out of business compulsions, they do the lift and shift of cloud migration. Unfortunately, when your strategy is around lift and shift, it does not justify the cost and the return on investment. Typically, any enterprises in the country or across the globe, whenever they form a cloud as a strategy, unfortunately, most of them follow the pattern called lift and shift. In my opinion, enterprises now should look beyond migration. That means I'm talking about cloud modernization now. Now, typically, what could be the challenges when someone is talking about beyond migration and cloud modernization? I see there are three typical challenges any enterprise can face. The challenge number one, it's the complexity of the transition, which is very, very important. And second is talent availability. In the space when you talk about beyond migration to cloud modernization, the talent or the available resources which can actually function as a elementary subject matter expert to help an enterprise to transition is a problem. I spoke about complexity. Talent is the obviously the second complexity. The third, which is known very well for many enterprises, is the cost element. Enterprises are struggling to justify the cost element, and this is a typical challenge everywhere. So when I talk about beyond migration and when I'm talking about cloud modernization, why is it necessary is something which I want to touch upon first. Then I'll tell you that what should be the strategy for the enterprises later. In the context of the post-pandemic or the new normal, cloud has come to play a very vital and important role for the business continuity of many enterprises across the globe. India is no exception. One of the most important thing that Indian industry has realized during the pandemic period, the banking industry, which was anticipated to suffer quite a lot on account of continuity of business, did not suffer much thanks to the availability of the cloud as an option to many of them. I think that's a brilliant story. And you will also notice during the pandemic time, the most preferred industry for those who were stuck at home, who could not step out of the house, is the entertainment industry. You can see the OTT platform started growing exponentially very, very high. Data was made available to anyone and everyone across the country, and people were actually getting hooked onto OTT for their entertainment. I mean, we have witnessed that. Now, coming to the part to answer your question, Amit, beyond migration, when an enterprise is embarking on a journey to systematically make cloud as part of their strategy, they should look deeply into three broadly divided areas. The first one I would like to address is talent. Either invest time, money in building a talent which can support your cloud modernization beyond migration, or look for a right partner. And that's very, very essential for the enterprises. Second, I would suggest before you embarking on the journey beyond migration for cloud modernization, please prepare a business case. You have to take every stakeholder into consideration. You need to, specifically the leaders, those on the forefront of working on cloud modernization, they need to justify the cost as a business case, not as an investment. That's a big challenge, but I suggest that one can overcome that easily. The third important point with the cloud modernization, the leaders need to remember, until you don't make cloud as a culture, or the mainframe DNA of the enterprises, cloud modernization will always remain to be a standalone activity, due to which the cost escalations or the investment one need to make in cloud modernization will always be perceived as a non-justifiable expenses. So bring in the culture, ensure you have a talent or the right partner, and rest of the thing, when you build a business case, becomes a very easy path for you to think about cloud modernization beyond migration. Thank you, Amit, once again. Thank you, viewers. Those who are watching Ravi's Eye View, I'll be more than happy to keep answering your queries and questions. Look forward for more episodes from It's All About Technology. Signing off, Ravi Venkatraman. Thank you so much.
Thank you for that enlightening session, sir. We would like to hear more from you on the technology landscape in your channel going forward.